So over here, you can see that I'm already inside an active Zoom meeting. So I'm here in as a host. So as a host, I can record the meeting as well. So in order to start recording, you go on to the bottom hand side right over here, and here's the record button. So once you click on it, the recording is started. So while you're recording, there are two options. You can pause the recording. So as you pause the recording, this part is not recorded. And as I resume the recording is resumed. And if I want to stop the recording, what I can simply do is click on stop recording, and it says that the recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. So that option is right over there. If you want the participants to record, however, you do need a premium Zoom account. And once you have the premium Zoom account, you can go to the participant option right over there, and then choose the participants onto more section and allow them to record the meeting as well. In my case, I'm using a free account, so that option is not there. So I'm just going to end the meeting over here to see how the recorded files are produced. So let me just click on end, and I'm going to click on end meeting for all. So once I do that, what happens is that now you can see the Zoom meeting video right over here. There's the audio only, there's like the playback and the video right here. So let me just double click on this, and it plays in the video player, as you can see right over here. So this is a video file format produced by Zoom in as an MP4 format. So let us see the recording options that the Zoom provides. So I'm here in the Zoom main work area right over here. So I'm going to go to the settings, and I'm going to go to recording right over here. And here you can see that I've already chosen my local recording location, which is on my desktop, and that is the reason why it appeared in desktop. You can choose and change your location and save it anywhere as you like. You can also choose a location for recorded files when the meeting ends, but usually I like to turn this off, and I want to choose it beforehand itself. You can also record a separate audio file for each of the participants who are speaking. So this is useful when you want to edit out the meeting in different ways. So this is a handy option as well if you want to. Usually it's not a requirement if you just want to record the meeting out. And over here, the other option is to optimize for third-party video editor, meaning it will encode in such a way that it is compatible across different video editors. So you can actually click on this as well. The other option is to add a timestamp for the recording, so it hard encodes a time onto the recording itself. So you want to keep track of the date and time, you might want to add this in. You can also record the video during screen sharing and place the video next to the screen share. That is, your video will be placed near the shared screen if you had to take this option. The other option is to keep temporary recording files. So what happens is that when it is recording, it is actually creating a temporary file. And as you stop the recording and close the meeting, it processes those temporary files into MP4 files. Sometimes what happens is that your computer might just get turned off for some reason, and you might lose the file. So keeping the temporary recording files may be helpful in many cases. So these are the options that are provided with the free account. If you have a premium account or a paid account, you will be able to see how much space you have left in your cloud storage as well, and you can record to cloud, and you can log in into your Zoom account via the web and download and share the recorded meeting with others right from then and there. So these are the recording options inside of Zoom, and that is how you can record meetings using Zoom. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.